Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a note quickly so content doesn't get lost. Open Notes and tap New Note or press CMD+N. Choose a folder or iCloud to ensure syncing across devices. Use the toolbar to add text, a checklist, a photo, or scan a document. Choose what fits your goal. Once done, title it clearly for searching later. Make sure to add tags or a folder to keep things organized from the outset, which saves time when you return. You now structure the note so it's usable later. Create folders and subfolders, pin frequent notes, and move items where they belong. This reduces clutter. Format with headings, bold, numbered lists, and tables to highlight steps or data, and attach images or PDFs for context. Once formatted, add tags and perform a quick search to confirm discoverability. Finally, create smart folders for recurring filters so you can pull related notes together automatically. You finish by sharing, securing, and backing up the note. Share when collaboration is needed by inviting people or sending a link, and set edit or view permissions so changes stay controlled. For sensitive content, lock the note with a password or enable Face/Touch ID. This prevents accidental access. Finally, confirm iCloud sync is complete and optionally export the note as a PDF for offline backup. If something goes wrong, recheck sync settings and storage availability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.